Hello everyone, welcome to NDAC YouTube channel. So today we are going to see about how we can build and orchestrate a scalable data pipeline in Microsoft Fabric. So as part of this, what I am going to do, I'll take an example and I'll try to do that pipeline building and orchestration in a scalable manner by using the Microsoft Fabric. As part of this topic, today we are going to create Fabric Workspace and Lakehouse and Warehouse, and we can create a data pipeline with some activities, and at the end we can do the end-to-end orchestration and execution. This is this video's agenda. So let's jump into the Fabric. So now here if you see, first let me explain about this architecture. So today I'm going to take the example of box office data. So I have a Indian box office data containing 52 or 54 files. So let me tell you what is that. Let me go here. So this is the files. So let's say in India we have the different type of industries called Bollywood, Kollywood, Tollywood, Sandalwood and Mollywood. So I have a data, let's say for example Bollywood 2014 to 2024. So first what I will do, I'll pull this data into the lake house. Then by using the pipeline, I will club all Bollywood related data into a single SQL table, all Kollywood data into a single table in data warehouse. This is my objective. So as part of that objective, this is the architectural diagram. So first what I'm going to do, I will create a lake house. In that lake house, I'll upload that all files into the lakehouse files section. Then later I will use the data factory. In the data factory I will use this all activities, get, metadata, filter, for each and copy job. And by using this, and I will club all the 54 files. Let's say Bollywood will have the 10 files, Tollywood will have the 10 files. Bollywood 10 files will become a one SQL table in the warehouse. Tollywood 10 files will become a one SQL table in the warehouse. And after completion of pipeline run, if the pipeline status is fail or fast, that I need to capture in the team's notification for my team awareness. So this is about architectural diagram. So let's jump into the Power BI. So here if you see, this is my brand new workspace. So in this what you need to do, so first we will create a one workspace. So click on this workspace, click on new workspace. So Indian box office workspace. Let's say this is Indian box office workspace. Make sure that you have the trial license. Otherwise, Fabric workloads will not support for Pro or this another license. So make sure that you have trial license if you are using the trial account. Just click apply. Once if you click apply, now workspace is created. Now workspace is created. So here first what is our agenda? We need to create a lake house. Click on new item. Once if I click on new item, now you will see a one window right side of your screen. So here you will get all the Fabric workload items that will be supported for this workspace. So here what I want to create? I want to create lake house. Just type lake and click on lake house. So here what I will do, I will take Indian box office lake house. Indian box office lake house, remove this hyphen. So Indian box office lake house, click create. Click create. Once the moment I click create, now it is created automatically Indian box office lake house. So LH stands for lake house. So please maintain the proper naming convention. So now here if you see, this is the lake house user interface. Here if you want, you can upload files directly. If you're new beginner to this lake house, you can start with sample data. If you have data in the other cloud services like GCP or AWS, you can use the shortcuts and data flow Gentoo and new data pipeline. So now the second part is I want to upload the files. So what I will do, from here click on these files, go to upload. So what I will do, I will upload directly folder. Select this folder and click on this folder. Once if you click on this folder, now So already my box office datasets is there. Just select this box office datasets, click upload. So now, so see, it is asking that this will upload all files from the box office underscore datasets. Do this only if you trust the site. Okay, upload. So now click on upload. The moment I click on upload, now if you see, all the files are uploading one by one. See here, all green tick marks. So few related to Mollywood, few files related to Tollywood, few files related to the. So this probably we will have the year-wise data. So our data governance team maintain the data year-wise. So I think now all the files uploaded. Please close this window. Now already see, now you are able to see the box office data set. When I click on this, now here you can see all the details. Here you can see all the details. Okay, so now this is okay. Now let me take a duplicate of this window. Now so now the second part is we will create a warehouse also. So we will create a warehouse also. Now let me go to the workspace, click on our workspace, and let me take one duplicate tab. So here click on new item. Here click on new item. So now you can see the same window. From here just type where. So from here you can select the warehouse. You can select the warehouse. Because my objective is I want to pull the all the files from the lake house and I want to store it in the warehouse. From there Power BI team is going to consume the tables. So I'll take this as a Indian box office double H. Double H stands for warehouse. This is the way we are using the naming convention in real time also. So please try to maintain the same naming convention. Now our warehouse is created. Yes, now creating your warehouse. So warehouse is created. In a warehouse we don't have we don't want to anything, just you can see the warehouse UI. You can see the warehouse UI. So this is the warehouse UI. In that we will have the schemas in the schemas. So my objective is I want to push all the files into a five across the five industries: Bollywood, Tollywood, Mollywood, Sandalwood, under this table section. This is my objective. Okay, keep this and I'll take another window. So from here the next, what is our next agenda? Our next agenda, we need to create a pipeline. So let me go here and now take a uh, pipeline. So now when I click on the new item, now you will see the same window on the right side of your screen. Just click on this data pipeline. So now once if you click on the data pipeline, now it will ask you to give a proper name. Proper name. So Indian box office pipeline. Let's say Indian box office pipeline. Just click on create. Now once if we click on the create, so now our pipeline is created and it is loading. Let's wait. Let's wait until it opens. Yeah, our pipeline is created. This is how, if you are seeing the for the first time, this is how pipeline user interface will look like. So now here, so what we can do first, we need to create a pipeline activity. Click on this plus symbol. So now here you will see the all the activities that as of now supported in this Fabric data pipeline. Select get metadata activity. So once if you select get metadata activity, it is capturing metadata from Lakehouse. Please maintain the proper naming so that we can understood easily. So click on settings. So here we can build a connection. So click on more. Once if you click on more, what was the lake house we created? Indian box office lake house. Just after clicking the more, you will see a one window. So now it's loaded. Now if you see, it is loaded. So from here, so our box office, our lake house is Indian box office lake house. So from here, from the Indian box office workspace, just select Indian box office lake house. So the moment if you click, now automatically it is mapped to the connection. So what we are going to pull from the lake house, we are going to pull the files, not tables. We are going to pull the files. So here select files. So from where we need to give the file path, just click on this browse. Once if you click on this browse, you will see a window on right side of your screen. So from here you can select the path. Just select this box office and don't select any file because we are going to pull all the files. Just click OK. So click OK. So click OK. So now here what we need to do, what is our file format? File format is CSV. Select delimited text. Then from the field list you can select in the get metadata. I'm going to get the child items. I'm going to get the child items. So this is about get metadata activity. So now from here, so what is my objective is I want to filter the industry wise. First I want to filter the Bollywood files, I want to filter the Tollywood files. So that is the my objective, because I want to make it as a separate tables for each and every industry in the my warehouse. So for this what I can do, so I will introduce a filter activity. So click on this activity, go to this three dots. From here take this filter, and rename this as a Bollywood filter. Let's say Bollywood filter. Okay, rename this as a Bollywood filter. Make a connection between the get metadata and Bollywood filter. So now come to the settings. So from here we need to fill these two items and condition. So click here, click on add dynamic content. So just select get metadata from the lakehouse childhood items. Just select this because we are capturing this output from the this activity. Click OK. Okay, now the second thing is, now we can add condition by clicking this add dynamic content. So after clicking this you can see a one window on your right side of screen. So now I will use contains item dot name, sorry, item dot name comma Bollywood. So from here I will take name as copy. So here I'll paste Bollywood and I'll click OK, and I'll click OK. Fine. So this what it will do, it will filter the whatever the files with it is starting with the name of a Bollywood. Fine. Now after this what I will do, I'll add a for each activity. So here I will build a connection between these two, and I'll click the for each and I will rename this as a Bollywood for each. I will rename this as a Bollywood for each, and I'll click the select, and I want to do the sequential run, and I'll click add dynamic content. So here what I will do, I'll select the output of the Bollywood filters, output dot value, output dot value. Just click OK. So this is output dot value. So inside I want to add a copy activity. Click add copy activity and click so now copy activity added. So select that copy data and rename it properly. So now it is Bollywood copy activity. Fine. So now here what I will do, I will need to fill two details, source and destination. Just select source. So our source is, you know already, source is Indian Lake House, box office Lake House. Okay, now it is selected. So what I'm going to try to pull the from the Lake House, I'm going to pull the files, not tables. Select files. So from here again I need to select a file path. Click browse, click browse. Now click on this. click on this, click OK, click OK. So, and I need to give the item name also. So this I don't want to do the hard coding, I want to add a dynamic content. Select dynamic content. So here what I will do, item dot name, item dot name, select OK. So I don't want to run the recursively. And what is our file format? Our file format is the CSV file. So I selected delimited text here. Fine. So far so good. Now let's set the destination. So from the destination here, if you are seeing your destination box office warehouse, directly you can select here. Suppose in your case, if you don't see here, just select more, just select more. Now from here you will see the what are the items that is presented in my tenant. So from here I'll select box office warehouse, I'll select box office warehouse. So now my intention is I want to create the auto create table, I want to create the new table, not existing table, because I don't have any existing tables here. So I want to create the new table. So I'll select auto create, and my schema is here dbo. So I'll select I will type dbo, and I'll give the name as a Bollywood. I'll give the name as a Bollywood. Fine. I'll give the name as a Bollywood. Okay. For each also configured. Now, once the pipeline run is succeeded, I want to get the notification in Teams. So for this, I will add a Teams activity, and I'll make a connection between the for each and Teams. I'll select the Teams. So I'll make this as a Bollywood Teams, and click settings, and I will sign in. I'll click on the sign in because we want to sign in with this account, whatever the account you are using. So now it is signing in. So let's open. So now it is open. Just let select the my account. So now it is asking to allow access. Click allow access. Now it is added. My account is added. So from here, what I want to do, I want to post it in a channel. So I will select the channel. So from the channel, I'll take this Power BI October 2022 channel. So from that, and I'll select the channel pipeline notifications channel. From this Teams, this is the channel. So for this, already I prepared a ready-made draft. I'll take this quickly, and I'll go here, and I'll paste. Okay, I'll paste this pipeline ID. I'll take pipeline ID, pipeline run ID. I'll take pipeline run ID, and I'll make this as a Bollywood bold. So, and I will make this as a Indian box office warehouse bold. Now it is set, and I will not select any subject. I will not select any subjects. Okay, fine. Now everything was set. So now in the same way I need to replicate for the remaining 4 industries like Tollywood, Mollywood, Kollywood. So what I will do, I will do this copy, and I will this paste. In the same way what I will do, it will take more time. So I am pausing my video, and I will do all the remaining industries, and I will get back. Now if you see all the remaining industries also, I created the activities. Let's say, let me show that each and every Kollywood. So here if you see Kollywood, I used the get metadata, so I am filtering with the Kollywood name. So in for each, so here also I am capturing the output of this Kollywood filter, and in the copy Kollywood copy data activity, source is the same, and in the destination just I changed the table name as a Kollywood. So here also I added a one Teams notification. In the same way for Mollywood, also if you see I am filtering the Mollywood records. So here in the for each activity I am capturing the output of Mollywood filter, and for the Mollywood, so I am the source is same, and destination I here I renamed as a Mollywood. So then again if I come to the Sandalwood, so here I am filtering the Sandalwood files. So in this I am capturing the output of this filter activity, and in this I am source is the same, and destination I renamed it as a Sandalwood table. Then while coming to the final one, Tollywood, so here this I am filtering the Tollywood name, and in the for each I am capturing the output of this Tollywood. So in the Tollywood copy data activity, source is the same, and destination is Tollywood table, and each and every for each activity associated with one Teams notification. So let me show that to you Teams. So this is my Teams, this is the channel under this one. So here after the pipeline run, here I want to see the notifications. So now everything was set. Now everything was set. Now see how big it is. See, if you see, this pipeline is completed successful. Now let me save this. Now let me save this. Pipeline saving and gathering the new changes. Let's wait. Let's wait. So now pipeline save completed. Now what I will do, so I'll run. I will click on the run. Let me click on run. So once if I click on the run, now pipeline running is started. Successfully running the Indian box office pipeline. So let's see the status here. Okay. Now first get metadata from the lake house. So now it is executing this one. So it is executed and filter also executed. Okay, filter also executed. So now it is executing. So it is successfully executed and filter activity is also executed. Now it took the each and every activity in parallel. So let's wait for the pipeline successful completion, because we have the 10 files for each industry. So it will take some good amount of time. So it will take some good amount of time. So let me refresh. It will take some good amount of time. So let me show that to you meanwhile. So now in my box office under the table section there is no tables. Okay, there is no tables. And if I come to the teams also, so if you remember, this is our teams channel, teams group. Under the teams group, this is the channel I selected. Here I need to show the, so here so far there is no notifications, there is no notifications. So now let's go here, let me refresh. So now it is executing each, and because we are pulling the 10 files. So what I'll do one thing, I will take a pause of this video. Once the pipeline run, pipeline status succeeded, then I will resume video from there. Still pipeline is in progress. So let's see Sandalwood for each is completed. Sandalwood for each is completed, and Kollywood, Mollywood, Bollywood and Tollywood are in the progress. So let's refresh. I think it's running the his last file. Let me refresh here. So let me refresh here. So it is running their last file. Yes, it's running there. So since Sandalwood is completed, so let's go and verify in the box office here. So in the DB, in the schema, let's refresh. Let's refresh. So let me click on here. Let's see the Sandalwood data. Let me click on the Sandalwood data. Meanwhile, I'll go and check in the teams also. Okay, see, Sandalwood pipeline is succeeded. So I got just now this notification in the teams. I got just now in the this notification. Let me go to this one. Let me select the pipeline. So let me click on refresh. So it is refreshing. So I think almost all the activities executed, but still it is showing the pipeline run is in progress. Let me refresh again. See, now you will be able to see pipeline run succeeded. Now you will be able to see pipeline run succeeded. Now let's go here. So here if you see, just here you are getting all the years data. So here if you see here you are getting all the years data. So let me refresh again. Let me refresh again. So let me take a query, because let me take a new SQL query. So here, so it is taking top 100. So here what I'll do, uh, so see, now here it is taking the top 100 rows. Here it is taking the top 100. So here if you see only, you will get the all the Bollywood details. let me do the select star from everything. Okay, now let me run. So once if I run, now here you will be seeing so all the years data. So I think let me see here. If you see, you are able to see all the years data from 2014. Let me sort it in ascending. So now 2024, 2020. So here it is not ascended properly. So this is how you need to pull the data. Let's check notifications also. Wow, excellent. So first we got the Sandalwood, then Bollywood, then Kollywood, then Mollywood, and in the last we get the Tollywood. So we got all the 5 notifications in my team's channel. So by using this, my team will aware that this pipeline run is succeeded, and they will go and check in the data. So from this, on top of this, they will build the semantic model and they will do the reporting. From this, my data analyst will take care of the reporting. So this is how you need to build the end-to-end pipeline with a scalable format by using the n number of data sets. So this is the one real-time use case which currently I am doing in my project, but this I did with some sample data. So let me recap. So what we did, so initially we created a um, workspace, later we created a lake house, later we created a warehouse, and later we created pipeline. In that pipeline we used, so for each activity, copy activity, and let me go to the this here diagram. So let me refresh. Yes, so now here if you see in pipeline, so first we created a lake house, then we created a warehouse. In the warehouse, later we created a pipeline. In this we used get metadata, filter, for each, and copy job. So what I did, I uploaded my local 52 files to the lake house. Here I uploaded in the lake house. From this, I by using this all activities, I successfully ran the pipeline, and in final I got the notification also in my teams. Okay, in my teams. So this is about this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment this video. So please subscribe NDAC YouTube channel. Thank you once again for watching this video.